Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make this really lovely body butter. This will help to give your skin that nice radiant glow. It is very easy to put together, so let's go ahead and get started. The first two ingredients that I'm adding to my heat-safe container are shea and mango butter. These are both great ingredients for hydrating the skin. Once I have added those butters, I'll be adding this next butter, which is pronounced Kapuka. This is known in the skincare industry to be one of the best butters to use to really hydrate the skin. It also encourages new cell growth and a faster healing time. Now that all my body butters have been added, I'm next going to be adding my oils. The first oil that I'll be using is baobab oil. This will help to increase collagen production. It will help to even out skin tone, and it's great for moisturizing, which is why I chose to add this to my body butter today. The next oil that I'm using today is kiwi oil. This is a great oil for many reasons. One, it helps to regulate sebum production, so if you have acne, this is a good oil. This will also help to increase collagen production. It has a lot of vitamin C, so it's great for anti-aging. It's very moisturizing, and if you're looking to brightening your skin tone, this is a good oil for that as well. After adding my butters and my oils, I've covered my container here, and I'll be gently heating these ingredients for about 20 to 30 minutes until they're completely melted. As you can see here, everything is melted. I did allow this to sit just to cool down a bit, and now I'm going to go ahead and add some vitamin E. This is a great ingredient for overall good skin health. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and give this a nice stir. I want to make sure that all those ingredients are nicely incorporated. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover this container again because I'll be placing this in my freezer for another 20 minutes just to allow this to harden up a little bit. I've gone ahead and removed my body butter from the freezer. It took me about 22 minutes in total. And I want to show you real quick what it should look like at this point. So it should not be super liquidy, but yet it should not be super hard either. It should be somewhere in between. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and mix together my body butter ingredients. I'll be doing this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then once I'm done, it will look pretty close to what frosting would look like. So now that I'm done mixing, I'm going to go ahead and add some geranium essential oil. I love this oil because not only is it anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiseptic, but it's great for toning and tightening the skin as well. This next ingredient that I'm using, arrowroot powder, really is key in this body butter formula because it will absorb the excess oil or greasy residue that comes from the rest of the ingredients. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and gently stir everything together. You want to do this nice and slow because if you do it too fast, you will have that arrowroot powder fly in the air, and you definitely don't want that. One last time, I'm going to go ahead and mix my body butter. I want to make sure that all that arrowroot powder that I added is nicely incorporated throughout the rest of the ingredients. I am taking a little bit of this body butter and applying it to my hand, then gently rubbing it in. Once it is rubbed in, I'm going to show you by me using a tissue how it does not leave any greasy or oily residue. The very last thing that I need to do now is go ahead and put my body butter that I made into my jar. Now, this makes exactly 4 ounces, and you can pipe it, make it look all nice and fancy, but for me, I just find it easier just to go ahead and scoop everything and put it into my jar. So here is what my body butter looks like once I've put it all into my jar, and even though I didn't pipe it, I still think it turned out really nice looking. Before I end this video, let me share with you any substitutions that I would recommend. Now, please make note that if you are making any changes to the original formula, it could change the overall outcome of the finished product. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.